Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. To everyone who is new to my channel, hello and welcome. And if you guys want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So the first product we're going to work with is this Vaseline Lip Therapy. I honestly love this so much and it is travel size so you can take it anywhere. And to prime my face, I'm going to go in with the NYX Angel Veil and basically apply it all over my face. And for my foundations, I actually mix these two together. So I do 1 pump of the Becca and then 3 drops of the NYX Total Control. Even though in the video it showed only 2, I do 3 droplets for that one. I actually apply it on the back of my hand and then I mix them together and apply them. I just really like applying my foundations with my fingers first. And then for my concealer, I am going to use the KKW concealer in the number 5. I honestly really love how this one blends out, but I wouldn't use this concealer as like an eyeshadow base because it usually creases. It's gonna make your eyelids crease. So if you guys want to know how I do my new set of eyebrows, I will set the link down below for that video. And to set my eye area, I'm going to go in with my B81 brush and my Laura Mercier translucent powder. And like I said, I am applying that all over the eye area and above my brows as well. And then to set my face, I'm going with a bigger brush, my B47 brush, and just set the whole face because we do not want to transfer our foundation onto other people's shirts. We're going to go in with the Vacation Bronzer with my M510 brush and apply it to the sides of my face. And we're going to grab that shade right there and apply it all over the lids. And then we're going to go in with that darker brown and apply it to our creases. This look is going to be very natural. We're not going to do anything dramatic. And then we're going to grab that smaller brush and use the same shade and apply it to the bottom of our eyelids. And then for our highlighter, we're going to use the Anastasia Glow Kit. I feel like I'm the only one that owns this glow kit. Let me know down in the comment section if you guys still own one of these. And like I've said in my previous videos, I like applying my highlighter very harsh and then going in with a bigger brush and blending that out. And that is how I get the most out of my highlighter. And we are going to apply our blush in the same area we applied our highlighter, as well as the apples of our cheeks. And then going in with a more pinkier blush, we're going to apply that to the bridge of our nose. And I got this palette from Amazon. I believe this palette was like $25 or less. So it's definitely a lot cheaper than the Makeup Forever palettes. So if you guys want to go get this palette, I'll set the link down below. And to apply our little freckles, we're going to use this little liner brush. So the reason I am not applying the freckles directly onto my face is because we want to make this look natural as possible. And just doing this whole method kind of makes it seem like, the freckles are faded in a way because we are wearing makeup, and obviously makeup does cover up any of our beauty marks and freckles. So we want to make it look like our makeup covered our freckles underneath, and that's what this method gives to us. So because we were using a lot of powders on our face, I'm going to take this brow gel and just give my brows back their color. Because my brows do get all powdery and stuff, I have to go in with the gel and just clean them back up. I like applying heat to my eyeliner because I do get the most out of the color and it just glides a whole lot easier. And then to set my face, I'm going to use the Morphe setting spray. And for my lip liner, I am using the Morphe Backseat Love lip liner. And I'm also gonna use the Morphe lipstick in the color Forevs. And I'm going in with the same mascara I always use, which is the Better Than Sex mascara. So I don't have a link for these lashes for you guys. I usually get these lashes like at a random store, but I will find a link for you guys so you guys can get these lashes. These lashes are usually like around $1 and they're very natural looking. And to apply my white nail rhinestones, we're going to use my lash glue and apply them directly underneath the eye. So you can get these little rhinestones at like a dollar store or Amazon. They're usually like $1 or $2 as well. I actually got these contacts from Pretty Fabulous. If you guys want to go check them out, I will set the link down below for these exact contacts. And that is it for the look, you guys. Hopefully you guys liked this look. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Leave some comments down below. I honestly, truly love when you guys leave comments. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!